wanira ebirogo ao bya gisiasa wetere kiame kyokure county ya Tana River korengana no munyakero BW'EKIAMA kya Jubilee VINCENT KEMOSI nigatebire getamu kerekyo ne kiogotinya obokoreri BW'EKIAMA kyo asebo igo batebire no kwiremerie asichise mu chionsi imeyense na kwene kekero mu Kenya ngosirale Dr. Fred Matiang'i asiganga yaye yokobo muraigwense asobo chori obonene bwo mwaka w'echire fibere 2022.
So this morning we have received them, and the deputy party leader, before he left, he received them officially in Jubilee party. So from today, they are now registered members of Jubilee party, and we have agreed that from today onwards, they are going to fly the Jubilee party agenda, especially at the coast and the Tana River region. As you are aware, you are all aware that now we are almost now on the home stretch. Few days left to the general elections next year. In the next 1 or 2 weeks, we will be 1 year to the next general elections. Jubilee party is prepared to go to the next general elections. You know, we have a candidate, Okengo Matiang'i, who is our presidential candidate. And what we have now come up with, especially coming up or as a resolve from the NEC meeting that we had yesterday for the last 2 days, it was a roadmap we have come up with, that we have come with a work plan for the next 1 year.
In this Jubilee, we would like to call upon the cabinet minister or the cabinet secretary who called other Kenyans hyenas to come out and apologize and resign his position because he does not merit to be a CS in Kenya or in any other country. We are also calling upon the investigative agencies and the prosecution agencies to move with speed and arrest any Kenyan who is trying to divide Kenya through such unorthodox and abusive ways. The Kenyan people know what happened in 2007, 2008. It started the same way as we are seeing today. Kenyans have seen what happened in a country like Rwanda, where radios were used to insult tribes and what have you, and the aftermath is recorded in the world history. We don't want to go that way, and that is where we are going. As Jubilee, we are calling upon all leaders in government or in the opposition to come out and condemn. This country belongs to all of us, it belongs to our children, and you cannot ban it because we want to